Hello, this is Leon from Shenzhen Sanmu Model Company. Please take a look at this picture. This component is from car heaters, and there is a pipe connector at each end. And the pipe connector has two methods. The conventional way to make the pipe connector is use plan A. This needs two progressive die and then riveting the two parts together. But we worked out a plan B, which needs no riveting and one less stamping die, so it's much more cost-effective and there is no leakage risk of brazing welding. This Plan B design was considered unachievable by stamping, but we some model did it with a progressive die. Shenzhen Sanmu model focused on stamping die build and run for aluminum parts for auto air conditioning and thermal management system. Welcome to contact us. Thank you.